Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make protein powder from milk. We will go through the entire process, step by step, so you can create your own at home. First, you will need to gather your ingredients and equipment. This includes fresh milk, an acid like lemon juice or vinegar, and some basic kitchen tools. We will focus on separating the milk into its two primary protein components, casein and whey, and then drying them into a usable powder. The first crucial step involves separating the milk's components. Begin by gently heating your milk to about 180 degrees Fahrenheit or just before boiling. Then, slowly add an acid, like 2 to 3 tablespoons of lemon juice or white vinegar per gallon of milk. You will observe the milk curdling, forming solid curds and a yellowish liquid, which is the whey. Carefully strain this mixture through a fine mesh sieve lined with cheesecloth to separate the two. Now, let's focus on the liquid whey. After straining, you can gently heat the whey again over low heat, stirring occasionally. This process helps evaporate excess water, concentrating the protein. Continue heating until the whey thickens into a paste-like consistency. Once it reaches this stage, spread the thick whey paste very thinly onto a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Dry it in an oven set to its lowest temperature, around 150 degrees Fahrenheit, until it is completely brittle. For the casein, which are your solid curds, rinse them several times with fresh water to remove any residual acid or lactose. Squeeze out as much water as possible. Once both the dried whey and casein are completely brittle, they are ready for the final step. Break them into smaller pieces and then grind them using a coffee grinder or food processor until you achieve a very fine, consistent powder. Store your homemade protein powder in an airtight container in a cool, dry place for optimal freshness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.